Hey, how's it going, guys? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel, for checking out my YouTube videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a video you'd probably share because you're not going to believe this. But and also click on the bell for notifications if you like these type of videos of the video that you're watching. So you get notifications when I upload a new video. All right, so you read the description correctly. You're probably like, are you retarded? You probably just clicked on a video because you want me to ruin a pair of $330 boots, right? Well, I will tell you that the question is, can you wash a pair of Red Wing boots in the washing machine? And will you trash them? So, your answer is no. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it and how I went about washing them, and you'll see the end product. So don't be mad if you just see you just watch the beginning of this video and I say yes, you can do it. Then you wash it, and then you trash your boots, and then you come back to me on the YouTube, you mother beep 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 beep, because you have a pair of lineman boots that you just ruined. They were $330. Now you get a new you have to buy a new pair. So actually watch the video and see what I did. So that way that if your boots are at that point, you know you need to wash them or replace them, and you'll see why mine had to be washed. Um, you'll be able to wash them, and you know what? Then you could do this. You could do this without freaking out, and you make your boots a lot less longer and a lot less smellier too. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump into the actual video of the process. So, here it goes. I just did something probably everyone in the world is going to say I was dumb to do. Peak saddle soap. So I took this brush, wet it, scrubbed it in the soap, and just scrubbed the hell out of the boots. Well, people probably say you're going to take the oils off or you're going to do whatever, but the way I see it is that I get my money's worth of Red Wings, and I fell in a swamp the other day all the way up to my crotch. So no way in hell I'll be wearing these boots with the way they smell. So I really got nothing to lose by trying to clean them. So here's what the yellow one looks like. Definitely like a lot lighter now. Had like real dark stains on the sides, from wearing them. Well, perfect example. Just like that. See that? All that came off where I scrubbed it. Looks like a brand new boot. So now I'm going to do the most unquestionable thing. I'm going to stick this in the washing machine. And like I said, it smells so bad inside. I got no choice, and who knows what was in that swamp. Stagnant, disgusting water. I had to work all night, 12 and a half hours in that, with my boots soaking wet because I didn't have another pair of boots on me. So it's time to put these babies in the washing machine. See how they turn out. I'll let you know. To be continued. Here comes the washing machine time. Took the insoles out. Throwing them in. Hopefully I didn't just throw away $300. Let's see. Let's set this baby to heavy duty. All in or all out, right? Let's put extra spin. Hot. Alright. Let's try this again. The Tide Ultra Stain Release. Ugh. Get it nice and full to the max. Alright, here we go. See what happens in an hour and 30 minutes. No, I'm not going to record the whole time. We'll be back. To be continued. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping they don't get ruined. So they're on the boot dryer. I took them off, stuck my hands on the inside, and
And the inside they feel completely dry, but on the outside here they're still a little wet. So that was last night. So I'll wear spare boots, let these babies dry the rest of the day while I'm at work. The Red Wing boot dryer. Let them completely dry and then oil them up. Slight discoloration, nothing ridiculous, but they smell like a brand new boot inside and not horrible stagnant swamp water. So that was a goal, and I didn't ruin them. So nice. So I think they'll look fine once they're dried up and oiled up. But at the end of the day, they'll work. It's not a fashion statement, right? But I didn't trash them, so that's a good thing. So if your boots are absolutely disgusting and dirty on the inside or smell and you're wondering, hey, I wonder if I can throw them in the wash. I guess the answer is yes. They're dry.
They smell okay too. Are you going down to the inside?
No. So as you can see, the boots still look good. I've actually washed them probably 3 times. They need to be oiled for sure, but just goes to prove, you know, they're not cracking or anything. But holding up fine. They definitely need to be oiled, but I haven't oiled them in a while. But just proving that washing them didn't ruin them. Hey, how's it going? So I hate to disappoint. You're probably like, fool, what were you thinking? You're going to ruin your boots. Well, I didn't. So to be honest with you, I actually made this video probably like a year ago. I'm just now getting around trying to put it on YouTube and doing the video editing. But since then, I've actually probably washed my boots 3 times. I'd say 3 times within a year. So one thing I would suggest is, I obviously can't speak on other detergents. I use that Tide on all my clothes. You know, man, with the work we do in manholes, handholes, and the ick pick and all the crazy stuff that comes on these lines, it just trashes your clothes. So I like using that Tide. So I would suggest just use the same Tide I did, because then you know the same results. Take the saddle soap. I'm not necessarily saying that brand saddle soap, but just take saddle soap and actually scrub the outside, because what you're doing is you're removing all the excess dirt, grime, oils, all that stuff, you know, conditions. You're actually getting it right down to the raw leather. Then you obviously see how much of a lighter color it was once I did that. So that way, when you're putting them in the washing machine, you know, really what you're washing, not necessarily the outside, you're washing the inside. And I did not put it in the dryer, and I would not suggest putting it in the dryer, because when you're putting it in the dryer, you're drying it from the outside in versus drying it from the inside out. You know, it's going to really put a beating on your boots throwing around the dryer, and it probably may not even dry right. So you may have that musky smell, you know, like that wet towel smell. You don't want that. So throw it on the boot dryer. You don't necessarily have to have a Red Wing boot dryer. You can pick them up on Amazon, like a knockoff. To be honest with you, it looks identical as the Red Wing. It just doesn't have the silk screen. I was like, what? So if you don't have a boot dryer and you're going to attempt this, I would suggest buying one first. That boot dryer, it's like if you put your hand over it, it really doesn't feel like much is coming out at all. So it's a real slow dry, and it's an ionizer, so we'll get rid of any bad odors or scents or anything like that. Cleaning the boots from the inside. I'm sorry, drying the boots from the inside. But definitely, anytime you use a boot dryer, you want to use a conditioner, so recondition the leather. So there it is. If you've always wanted to do it, but you just were scared to do it, like I said, I had no choice. I fell in the swamp up to my crotch, and those boots smelled so bad. I had to work in them all night long, soaking wet, that I was either going to buy new ones or try clean them and ruin them. So what choice? Well, what did I have to lose? So at the end of the day, I'm glad I did it. Saved myself $330. And I know every now and then now my boots start looking too grimy, or they just smell real funky. You know I can throw them in the wash. And as long as I'm conditioning my boots and taking care of my boots, that they'll be fine. So thanks for watching. God bless. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos. And to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.